Hi guys, welcome back to our Wixel series. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to add a gallery to your document. Let's get started. Here on the Wixel Editor, go to Add Elements, scroll down to the bottom, and select Gallery. On this window, select all the images you'd like to put together for your gallery. And in order to select multiple items at the same time, click on the first item you want to add, hold the Control key on your keyboard, and continue selecting all the other images you wish to add to your library. Once you're done selecting, click on Add to Page, and they will be added to your page with a default layout. If you wish to change that layout to something else, you can go to Layout on the action bar above and select from the options available here. Apart from that, you can also adjust your gallery's size as well as your gallery's alignment. And if you like, you can also enable or disable text wrapping. And there you go. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.